interrupting your working machine entails some risk and time and money. And so keeping what you have and making it work for another 3 years has a value attached to it.
Yes.
And also, to everybody watching, is everybody listening to me? This is important. If your current computer meets your needs and you're happy with its performance, don't worry about anything I say or anything any other reviewer says. If your computer is good, if your frame rates are good, if your multitasking is good, if whatever your personal use is, if you use your computer and go, it's fine, no, it's okay, I don't have a problem with it. I game, I play my stuff. It takes a second or two to load a level, but I drink my coffee. Keeping your current computer costs you nothing.
Nope.
Rock on. Don't worry. Just because a new shiny thing came out did not immediately make your current computer junk.
Yeah.
It is so easy to get wrapped up in the hype of the 3080 is so powerful, the 2080 is slow now. You know what? I have basically this at home on an i9, and I have a 2070 Super.
Yeah, you do.
And I see no reason to replace my 2070 Super with a 3080 or a 3070. Can I afford to? Yes. Will I end up with multiple cards because I do tech videos on YouTube? Yes. Let me put this a different way. I own two 2080 Ti's. I have more than one 2080 Super upstairs. I feel no need to put any of them into my gaming computer at home.
Nope.
And I play on a 3440 by 1440p 100Hz monitor. But the reason I have no itch whatsoever, none, not even a flex, because I'm old enough now, I don't care. I might have cared when I was younger, if I was honest. I play XCOM 2, City Skylines, World of Warships. I have played
Ghost.
I have played Ghost Recon Breakpoint. I've played Division 2. I play on high detail, they're good enough.
Yeah.
But I mostly play the other games.
You do.
I don't need a graphics card upgrade.
Nope.
And how many times would somebody who goes, yeah, I got a 3440 by 1440p monitor, and I got an i9 processor, and I got all this SSD, should I upgrade my 2070? My normal response would actually be, yeah, that makes sense. A 3080 would be pretty sweet. But if they followed up by saying, yeah, I play XCOM 2 and City Skylines and World of Warships, it'd be like, why? You don't need anything else. You're sweet. I would notice. See, how many people have said this to us? Oh, my goodness. The build on Tuesday.
Yes.
I advised
The i7.
the i7
10700.
and a mid-level $250 graphics card. And comment after comment and a comment in the live stream and posts afterwards on the published video was, why are you putting an i7 in there? The graphics card's not powerful enough. Get a 5700 XT and go with the i5. It's all you need. Maybe so. Depends on what you're doing.
It depends.
I understand the argument, but for what I do with two monitors, playing those games, I would much rather have an 8-core chip. I upgraded my machine at home from 6 to 8.
You did.
I noticed it.
You did.
Upgrading my graphics card to even a 3080 would not be noticed. Because I already get 100 frames per second.
Yeah. Well, I didn't notice going from the 2060 to the 2080.
That's true. We replaced her 2060 at home with
2060 Super.
a 2060 Super, and you now have, she's got a very nice card. We actually replaced this. We replaced a, this is actually a 2-fan, is this a gaming or WinForce? This is a WinForce. This is even the budget model. This isn't even the super duper epic Aorus Extreme.
Exactly.
This is a budget WinForce 2-fan 2060 Super. You know, I'll make it sound terrible. You know what the difference between this and the Ultra Mega WinForce Aorus is?
Money.
A pretty fan.
A fan.
And money.
Money.
We replaced a 2060 Super. She now has a factory overclocked Asus ROG Strix
2080.
2080. That is a beast of a card.
It is.
And how much faster is World of Warships now?
No.
On your 1440p ultra wide?
Might load a little bit quicker, but in the game,
Do you know how much money that card was?
yeah, $1,200 more.
But if I take it out now, you'll yell at me. Do you realize you have a faster video card than me? Ah, she's flexing. In truth, putting ego aside, here's the funny thing. I have the 100 hertz monitor. She has the 60 hertz monitor.
I thought mine was 75.
No, it's 60.
Is it 60?
Those are 75.
Oh, those are 75.
Those
are 75.
I have an i9 9900K. She has a Ryzen 5 3600X. And she has the faster video card.
That's because you're sweet.
That's because it doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
People get so upset over these things.
I know they do.
They get so wrapped up going, but a new thing just came out. Don't I have to upgrade? No!
You don't.